Welcome to the second lesson of the subject Mathematics to the Modern World. I am Jasmine Abir Solomon, and I will discuss to you the first part of the second chapter, which is Mathematical Language and Symbols Part 1. The definition of language is a systematic way of communication with other people, use of sounds, conventions, and symbols. It is a system of words used in a particular discipline, and it is also a system of abstracts, codes, which represent antecedent, concept of events, and arrange in ordered sequence to form a word. It is the system of words, signs, and symbols which people use to express ideas, thoughts, and feelings. While the mathematical language is the system used to communicate mathematical ideas. So basically, mathematical language is specifically for mathematical ideas. We also have a verb and a noun in a mathematical language, where noun as numbers, measurements, shapes, spaces, functions, patterns, data, and arrangement, where verb as is considered as the four main actions attributed to problem solving and reasoning. The language of mathematics was designed as numbers, sets, functions, and perform operations. The symbols commonly used in mathematics are the 10 digits, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Number 2 is the four fundamental operation, which is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And for the set, we are using this for intersection, union, subset, and superset. In variables, we can represent any letter, but the most common letter that we use is the A, B, C, X, and Y. And there are special symbols like equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, pi, and many more. Logic symbols is represented as not, function, conjunction, and if and then, if and only if. And the last one is the set notations, where N represents natural numbers, W as whole numbers, Z for integers, Q for rational numbers, R for real numbers, and C for complex numbers. Some important sets are the following. When we see the N symbol, that is a set of natural numbers, or we can also call it as counting numbers, and it always starts with 1. And W is a set of whole numbers, and it always starts with 0. And Z are the set of integers, so there we have a positive and negative numbers including 0. And the Q are the representation of rational numbers. So these are the numbers that are terminating and repeating decimals. For example is 1.75 and 1.25. And the Q prime is the set of irrational numbers. So these are the non-terminating numbers or non-repeating decimals, or the never-ending patterns like 1.23232323. R, which is the set of real numbers, and when we say set of real numbers, all the important sets are included in real numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational and irrational numbers. And the last one is C, which is the set of complex numbers. Here are the common symbols that we always use, and always remember that we have to be familiar with it. Thank you for watching.